another client that we're talking to who, you know, might come on board in a larger way, but right now she's like sort of at the very beginning stages of trying to figure this all out. But she's in the health and wellness space, right? Specifically like physical therapy,
Okay.
specifically a type of physical therapy called the Alexander technique, which deals with like posture and things like that, right? She's actually based in California, in San Francisco. So she works in the tech industry. She works with a lot of these people because it really does help with presentational aspects and stage confidence and, you know, of course, health and welfare and balance and, you know, ease of movement and all this stuff. The industry itself does a very poor job of communicating what this is, how it helps people, why it's useful. Anybody who does it, like let's say you didn't know anything about acupuncture, but anybody who does it all of a sudden goes, oh, wow, this is very useful. Or chiropractics, right? Oh, wow, this is very useful. But the industry itself does a poor job of communicating to people why it works. So she came to me and was like, hey, can you help me figure this out? Because I'd like to do some videos about this. Now she's doing a better job of communicating what she does and how it helps people. And now the industry that she's in has actually started to take notice and said, well, can you come speak at events and basically be like our Western, you know, thought leader and speaker on this type of practice because you are doing such a good job of communicating it. And that was one little shift. All the little shift was her getting comfortable having this conversation about what it is that she does. And it wasn't about trying to tell people everything it is that she does. It was about communicating one thing at one point in time. Here's how to sit better at work so your lower back doesn't hurt. Here's how to, you know, improve your posture for on-stage speaking or something. Here's how to carry your child without hurting your back or your neck or your shoulders, right? A better way to carry something. Those simple ways of communicating what it is that she's an expert in and why what she does helps people has now shifted to not only her improving her business with that communication, but the industry as a whole has said, hey, can you help us?